Hey beauties, welcome back. I hope you are all doing well, guys. Sorry for my voice. I am a thyroid patient, so my voice changes like a witch. So today we are going to do butterfly braid, right? Um, Remember, this channel is about how to achieve any hairstyle without edges, right? So I'm going to show you how you can achieve. This one is simple for everyone, right? It is for beginners. Anyone can do it. It is easy as ABC. So yeah, it is done many way, but this is the easiest way, right? So I'm going to show you how you can achieve it also in your own hair without edges. So I have been putting some products on my edges. I don't know whether they are coming back. You people, some of you who used to check on my other videos, I don't know whether you are seeing it coming back slowly. I think I have traction alopecia. I'll continue to apply the product I'm using. When that works, I'll share it with you guys so that you can try it out. It is for alopecia, it is for thin hair, it is for, so I will share it if I see any changes, right? Just be careful on products you apply on your hair, guys. Be very careful, especially when you have edges problem like mine. Don't disturb your hair too much. Like my edges, when, for example, when I'm combing, I place my hand, as you can see in the video, I place my hand on my edges before I comb my hair because they are very sensitive. If I don't comb well, the combing also plays a role, right? The way you comb your hair, the way you manage, the way you style your hair, they all have a role. So this is how my hair looks last February, and this is how my hair looks now. I became natural because I thought my perm hair was a problem to my edges. So I cut it off to give my edges some chance to grow back. But yeah, that's not a problem. The problem here is how we can also get some style with that, right? So I'm going to straightening the top one so that I will be able to slick it down when I'm braiding, right? And what I'm going to show to you is really easy. Anyone can do it. If you can achieve, if you don't know how to braid, you can just do rubber band. So I used 2 packs of hair extension. You can even use 1 pack, guys. This was just my choice. The video is just to show you the easier way you can achieve those butterfly braid, right? It is very easy if you don't have edges or you have edges. So what I'm applying is a hair cream. I prefer to apply hair cream on top there than applying gel. I will just apply a small amount on my edges, and yeah, it is just for a day. I never sleep with any gel on my edges, guys. When I apply a gel on my edges, I will remove it in the evening before I go to bed, right? I don't sleep with any product on my edges. So be careful on what product you put on your edges, what product you put on your hair. So guys, this channel is new, so help your sister to grow it so that we can share our hair experience here, right? So let us first do the 2 cone rolls, and then we are going to proceed with the hairstyle, right? Keep watching. cornrows, let us proceed with our edges, right? You can just slide the hair down. If you don't know how to do baby hair like me, you can just slide your hair down. I'm still learning, guys. I'm still learning. And as I said, I'm going to apply a small amount of gel in front there, but remember I said I'm not going to sleep with, because when I'm going to sleep I have to remove it. I don't want to sleep with any product there on my edges, because when it gets dry and I start having itchy, right? So I don't want it to affect my edges, so I don't want to disturb my edges. I'm just doing it for a day, and then the following day I slick it down, yeah, with the combination I'm using to bring them back. So keep watching, guys. So now that we are done with edges, let us proceed with the hairstyle, right? Remember, it is butterfly hairstyle, it is butterfly braid, it is also called mermaid braid. Yeah, lose the hair as you can, lose the extension as you can, guys. I did my own a little bit bigger, but you can lose it as you can to make it be flat on your head. Like I have thick hair, I was supposed to make it more flat. I forgot I have thick hair. And also yeah, the place I'm putting it is because of the edges. If I was doing the cornrow a little bit down on top of my closer to my ears, I wouldn't be able to fix the pins, right? And you can also use a hook to, a crochet braid to do this hairstyle. You can also sew in, and yeah, but this is the easiest way. You can remove it when you are going to bed. You can put it back the following day. You can also sleep with that if you want. Yeah, it is the easiest way. You can, if you don't know how to do braid, you can even give your extension to someone to braid for you, and then you just apply it on your hair, right? It is very easy, guys. Lose it as you can. I did my own like this. You can decrease your hair extension. It is your choice. I use 1 pack each side, right? I use 2 hair extension for these 2 braids. You can use 1 hair extension and divide it into 2 so that you have the better look. So I will let you enjoy the video, guys. It was a pleasure for me to share this with you. I love you all. Please keep watching to see the end look, and I love you until we meet next time. Mwah!